Yo, I'm the locksmith, got the keys to the game. When you're locked out of your crib, I'm the one you blame. Got my toolbox ready, I'm the key crafting king. Unlocking doors and hearts, man, it's a wild swing. You lost your keys again, man, that's the third time. But don't you worry, I'm here with my rhyme. Got a pick in my pocket, a shim in my hand. I'll get you back inside, just like I planned. Lock it up, lock it tight. When you need a locksmith, I'm your knight. Busting down doors, but I'll do it with style. Locksmith life, man, it's worth your while. I'm the master of the tumbler, the wizard of the pin. When it comes to locks, you know I'm gonna win. Got a code for your safe, but don't tell me twice. I'm not a magician, but I'm pretty precise. People call me up, can you help me out, bro? I say sure thing, buddy, just let me know where to go. I show up in my van with stickers all around. Locksmith in the house, I'm the talk of the town. Lock it up, lock it tight. When you need a locksmith, I'm your knight. Busting down doors, but I'll do it with style. Locksmith life, man, it's worth your while. Now I'm picking locks, feeling like a spy. But don't you worry, I'm just that kind of guy. I'll crack a safe, but I won't take a dime. Just here for the laughs and to drop a good rhyme. So if you're ever stuck, just give me a shout. I'll unlock your door, that's what I'm about. Locksmithing and laughing, that's the real thrill. In a world of locks, I'm the king of the drill.